Next, um, is throughout the text, use the primary keyword naturally. So you need to make it naturally, make it look real. Let me read the tip. A good keyword density is about 2%, which means you should use the keyword naturally 1 to 2 times for every word. So a paragraph is basically 100 words. So your primary keyword should appear once or twice. So let's go count our blog posts. This is for blogger. Right click, selector, copy, go back to clipboard, selector or Control A, then paste. We have 391 words. That simply means we are aiming for, since we said 100, one primary code or two primary keyword for 100 words. So we are aiming at around, let's say, 3 to 7, 3 to 7 primary keywords. But since this is close to 300, let's go within this. Since this is close to 400, we'll go for 4 to 8 primary keywords and the post. So let's start. Let's get our primary keyword. Let's check how many primary keyword we have. This is the primary keyword. Copy. Control F. So we have three. Let's check if we can get four above. This is how to prepare beans with red oil. So let's search again for so these these are some of the benefits of beans with red oil. Benefits of eating beans with red oil. Okay, this is five. Five is okay. We'll be able to get more than this when we finish the post. So thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next.